General. Tell about them girl there, you know. That's top dog, you know.
You?
You must girl me a brother, sir.
They're wicked, you're bad.
Yo, it's a brown in there coming. Forward, yeah. I try thinking and see what I go on, cause yo, she give me some eyes which did it. But I'm just going like everything smooth because I don't know I go already, you know? Don't want a one girl. I can't do the one girl thing, brother.
Yo, yeah, I feel have one woman, bro. Cause what you know? You know, make no sense. You know, run up and down with them bag of girl there.
Yeah, but I try things still with a brown in there, cause long time she a crazy. Rough.
Rough, man.
Yeah, man, she a pretty brother.
Come on, say you're up.
Let's check it, bro, and I see what I want. So you're up. Big up yourself, you know.
You say one big one, man.
Yeah, man, a big one. Cougar, Ruga. It is what it is, brother. Bless up yourself. Bless up wife for me now. Alright. See inside. Alright, man has a respect. Yeah, you don't know, so without Rasta, I can't nice, you know what I mean? Come out of the sun, I ever talk, man. It's a long time I see you, you know what I mean? Woo-yo, yes, Father. Hallelujah.
Speak your mind.
Speak my mind was stuck on you, you know, because I tell you, say, yo, a long time I think about you, you know. I just have to keep it cool, because I don't want you to feel like I don't rush thing. A woman like you, you don't need no jump up and all them something. You need somebody to, you know, spend some time, you know what I mean, focus on you, make sure everything works smooth, you know what I mean. Because you look, to a Rasta, you don't share the same religion already, so that's our first step, you know what I mean. So, only thing we have to do is just maintain that vibe there and make it happen. But it's up to you still. We're not rushing, we're not forcing you. It's just happen. You know what I mean?
Yeah. You look like you have something to say and you don't want to say it. Just speak your mind, man. Now listen. Get to the point, yeah?
I need it in my life. I'll tell you something, man. You're relevant. You're relevant to me. You're a big man and you know how to do the things then. You've been there, done that, and you know, say, at this point you don't want nobody to play with you. You know what I mean? But me want you. You need it. You understand? So, I don't know if we can make it work and we want it to work. So just make me know if, you know what I mean, we can get started. Because I'm going to take care of it. I talk about take care, I don't talk about no half thing.
Hold on right there, son. Hold on there. You really think somebody would want you?
Me?
For do what?
Last to get a proper massage. You know, when last man they rub on your body. You know what I mean? Caress you and make sure say, yo, you will penetrate straight. When last that happened to you?
You forgot something.
What you forget?
Me and you are friends long time. Me not expect this from you. You don't know so me no want you. If me did want you, me would have a long time. You forgot to me, you woman a friend. And you come and look me. Man like you, me not do it. Because you seem like how you go diss up your woman for me and me your friend. I understand you start talk about massage and one or something. I explain my problem them to you. Don't bother with it.
So you really have put it?
Come on, me no want you, me your friend. We are friends.
Yeah, but we can excel to the next step.
Come on!
No, me don't want you.
You sure?
Me sure so me no want you. We are just friends.
Everything good still. You done say what you say and me done say what I say, just now work out. Everything good. Yes sir?
My body you want to cut
No man, no that man. Everything good man.
Stay with your woman.
Yeah man.
Too much woman.
Holy man will lie.
Keep your things in your pants. And if you learn to satisfy that me not like we do.
On your yard. Mama.
Afternoon.
So you do everything alright?
Yeah, man.
Thank God, I see me just a pass and I see him half a turn back, you know what I mean? Something that strike me eye, you know? So, something I buy in that place, huh?
Not really, but you can buy me so much.
What you say? Service! That's a lady that come like she hot like a fire. What about mama? You think alright?
No.
Alright.
No.
Come back to water.
Hot or cold?
Hot.
So tell me something, I mean, more, you know, me talk to you outside no more, you know what I mean?
Okay.
I'm nice to get to know you a little bit. Don't forget the water, mama.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Name Apple.
Apple in here?
Yeah.
Oh, apple to apple, plum to plum. Hi! I'm here still, you know, I see how me can't tell me here for you and thing, you know what I mean? Like your strong body and all these things. You know if something can work for you guys. You know, means that in a brother can take care of you.
So what on there? So true you buy me one bottle of water down and shop a while ago. You feel like say you can look me?
Yeah man, you are going. This is start from you know. You know what I mean? We can't work to start at some place. We can't just get up and then wait till the thing.
But me have my man.
You have your man?
Yeah.
I have my woman too. For some of the case so we can work out something.
You know say you's a dirty man. You have your woman and me I tell you say me have my man. And you still a dry it out, still a look me. As a matter of fact, hold back your water, I'm not thirsty.
This
It's a dirty man, you. You just want to jump in on my panties, so one bucket of water make all of this. As a matter of fact, go on home to your woman, because I go home to my man.
You're alright, you know. Cause you look good, everything alright. Drink my water. Me thirsty. You not thirsty.
One home to your woman.
Come good. I'm going to try food. It's alright. Oh, go on, General.
There, man.
Thing alright?
Yeah.
Yo, you see me? You have to try to be a girl it's like me. Yo, you see a girl? Yeah, man. Me girl like brother. The big girl is like me, you know.
Hey, get it. What you say? Alright, my boss.
You know what I mean? Because look more, you know. And she gonna link up and we are gonna go out and have a nice time, you know what I mean? Yo, you see earlier on, you have a brownie and down so. Or me a sort out and thing. Yeah, man, my girl them this. That lane and my lane, brother. You have to be girls like me. Top man, me be in the area, general. See? Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Alright. See, sir, what you mean? Pop me down. Hold them.
Why, girl clown can't tap make? You ever have icky pan and make one of your woman them bright needed? You're not so tough.
I did can you come?
Hey, so here we go. Bop, bop.
No, what the fuck are you doing? Come on.
Chat about them both.
My girl, that. A little more, we have a link up. There you go. You know what I mean? Go eat something, you know what I mean? Or, no, take a eat out. We can work out something.
That can't work out.
Come on.
They can't just come by me one bottle of water and then want to look me.
No matter that, man. You are.
Girl, I can't lie me for one man. No time down here alone, girl, I want one man. I'm sure me don't know anything already. I say me I can link you.
Wait there. Pinky, where you said to me a while ago? You are one man?
So me know somebody.
Oh, you're so sassy. Calm down, man. Don't get me wrong. Not that the way they mean. But anyways, how comes you lonely? Talk to me.
Girl, I'm lonely. 3 months now, I don't get one sort out in a girl.
Alright.
I'm in a yard now. I feel like I want something, girl. Right now, I have a priest, I want to buy one deal that I want to buy later.
No, girl. We just never know say you come down. Isn't me? But nobody feel shame. Isn't me? Cause right now, even though me have that man up there, I still have everything in my drawer. But I believe it. Anyways, so why you tired?
Girl, I like the man them with Sally Shambroon and Maga. You know, Maga man have a buzz.
But let me ask you a question, Pinky. You're slim and all, and you say you want a slim man, don't? I wonder if you know a slim man have the thing, the real tall thing, right out. You can't manage that.
I say I want a Maga man with the buzz, girl. You hear me? I say, I'm like in the ear me, I say, girl. I must can manage if me I tell her what I want, the type what I want. I want the Maga man with the buzz. The buzz. Girl, Just line you up. Line you
Me
up.
no want to give you maga man and then you end up that's you reach a hospital, you know. You sure you can manage?
Girl, if you give me man, you give me man.
You like that one?
The one, yeah. Yeah, girl, the one that have a buzz. Jesus. Quite nice. Give me phone. Let me see him.
Anyways, you want me call him or something? Mama!
Hmm?
No man, you have to give me phone. You want me call him or
Yes,
something?
right now. Call him right now.
Mama, you sure you can manage? I don't want normal piece of boy this ain't.
If you give me man, you give me man. Call
I just
him.
want your girl. I don't want your say. I go. Anyways.
Are you want him man or me? Call him man.
Yo, Kelani. Me there your gate, you know. Me see all of miss call them, man. Me busy on the road today.
How are you at the gate? Alright, may I come. People are calling for your phone and can't get you.
Yo, me busy on the road the whole day today. Yo, but I want to go.
My youth, come on for a bite. I go over there to go chat.
Alright, no problem.
So you see, you call me the caller today?
Mm-hmm.
Because my friend come link me and saying only he want a man. But he be specific with the type of man we want. You understand? Man? Slim man we have a buzz. You understand?
But me no slim.
Well, the picture I share with you, she okay with it. So the only thing right now is to make sure so you can work your thing. You understand?
Right now you see a lot right now. Me see one picture with her right now. Me see what she look like.
Chaja, but even me left the phone on here. But anyways, me WhatsApp him if the picture to you and make you see. But remember now, come on, be specific with you want thing you know, come not to want tarry out here. Make sure so you can do your thing good enough, you understand?
Right. Yo, don't worry yourself, man. Me know if you deal with me thing. Just WhatsApp me a picture, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Yeah. New girl, I hope I want tickers with him got the big out and chest push.
So I care all of the money when we did owe you.
You lucky say you bring them still, you know. Come just there and send them come mess you up, you know. But anyways, how much product you have in next operation?
Don't worry yourself, man. We have as much. I just want a rough little patch when they go through. But everything's sort out.
You can't go on now.
Everything that bossy.
Everything ready for next week?
Yeah, man. Look for more.
We have some information for you when we are going like. Remember girl Pinky? Me said she did from Magdalene.
You serious?
Yeah.
Where you get the information from?
A long story. Right now we in a hurry, so me have to go when we reach home, we call.
so sorry. Yeah, I know I'm interrupt on the movie and I enjoy myself, so no seat. I never have no choice. I had to stop there because we have to click like people so I can do full length movies. It really works. And if for your first time over here, definitely subscribe. But I not only cut enough movie, short film, short to tell enough to subscribe and like, but I got end it from like a high note. Now, you guys are no stranger to this lady here, Miss Everly. Yeah, she have one of them bad poems before we again. And this one is particularly different, not my humble opinion, because of the title alone. So me not hear the words they meant, you want to hear it. You want to tell them the title? You tell them. What's the title?
Regrets of the Side Piece.
No, Regrets of the... I never that the name they tell me first.
What me tell you?
They tell me the name Side Chick. Not Regrets of the... Anyways, I want to hear it. I want to hear it.
You will hear one little piece.
Alright, give it to us. Oh, hold on. It's higher for break on again. I am very much aware of the teeny wall of them. But because we hear them every day, I just try one nice segue if you tell us talk loud, not the poem and thing. I didn't sit in my head. Yeah. But me hear them guys, we can't get rid of them. I said go. Poem time.
No liberty comes with being on the side. If he's your significant other, what is the sense in having to hide?
Come on! You're going good. Here I am. Okay, start again.
Whew, this is so funny. Anyway, no liberty comes with being on the side. If he's your significant other, what is the sense in having to hide? If he belongs to you, then why can't you call him at nights? He's the love of your life, but still goes home to be with his wife. Because a side piece needs to show respect. You forget about how you feel. You need to pause and check. Having respect for the wife and none for yourself. Showing love to a man who will never leave his lady no matter what product stands on the shelf. Held hostage by love that won't allow you to leave. So with no tactics and nothing up your sleeves, you stay committed to a woman's man. Full submission and bending knees. How many times have you felt left out? No one to cuddle with at night? Settling for loneliness and giving away your rights. From the day you decided to be with him, you made your choice. It's sad that you have to stand aside and watch love drown out your voice. Before you knew he had a life. Still, you stay sitting in the corner crying, falling for a man who you knew already had a wife. Manipulated by his promises and comforted by the honey that falls from his lips, constantly falling for his tricks. Men have a way of telling you that home isn't comfortable. He will try to point all the bad at home that is happening, and in reality, there is really nothing at home that he is lacking. While some men does this as an escape, but after being his side chick for 10 years, why do you still wait? So here we are, yet with another scar. Stuck in the middle of, should I love him and forget her? Or must I leave before becoming the home wrecker? The choice is yours. If you want to leave or stay. I know love has a way of playing Simon Say. I just want you to know, in the end, you only got you, my friend. So please, don't you ever think you can't fall in love again.
Hot cleat! Yo, me not tough some, you used to write. Like, it's a poem. It's a poem. I don't have no more information for it. I'm not even going to ask where it come from. Because that the poem not spell nothing for the male species. So I'm kind of ashamed now. But I don't know if you want a little bit of what inspired that poem. I don't know if... Alright, no, shoot. Alright. Guys, so bad poem by Everly, side chick it name. You have Instagram, one to your YouTube. We wanna know want to hear some of them something there. On YouTube. Tell all of them. YouTube,
so
please.
It's poems by Everly Grime.
So poems by Everly.
Both on Instagram and YouTube.
I find the heavy a while ago, man.
Yeah, I know.
Me not even treat woman so I'm feel what kind of way. But yeah.
Shout out to my boyfriend.
Poems by Everly. Go and check it out on YouTube. And yeah, hit that sub, guys. Remember to like and subscribe if you just a tune in. Someone can buy me some time for, can make some full length movies. You know what I see? Full length Hollywood looking Jamaican kind of movies like one just watch a while ago. Yeah man, like, subscribe, little more. I shall see you very, very soon.
So let's see how going on now. Ready,
Ready, BS, but I have no money, I can't wait till next week. You know, trust?
What? You know no money? Broke girl broke my vibes, You know what I mean? Yo, enough things, enough expenses going on this side, It's the body I have to go to the gym every weekend and go work out and keep up. You know what I mean? I have to drink up my roots and my tonic. I think the engine easy for run. Yeah, come talk about money if you not just till next week. But you are going with. You better check yourself, yeah, sir.
This me have to put back this in the taxi here. This can't work.
What? 5 bills, 5 minutes? Something wrong with you, Take it on my face. Something wrong with you. Something not going on with you. You really come here, sir, and you know so you want your sort out. Saying, and you really come with 5 bills.
Come no man, 5 minutes at $500. Alright, let me feed him,
Step away, man. Back up, man. We are going away. You can't go a business,
5 minutes, $500.
$500? No, that can't work out. 5 bills? You really left here with 5 bills?
Alright, then make me feel it, $500.
You think I bend down this, You think I feel it? If you don't have your money, you can't speak. Don't tell the broke girl broke my vibes. You know what I mean? So guess what you have to do? You don't have no money, you don't talk. So better you step away, sir. Come on, depend where you depend. A joke business, you depend. You really left, look at night, full moon. If the moon not even full, look up in the sky. And you left your yard with no money. And you want? No, sir. Check yourself, man. Check yourself. I bet some face say some scam you have. You have money upon you. I bet you have money.
Stop going, son, man. All the while I'm coming without money and in 1 little time I have no money. You know what you give me? Stop going, son, man.
JPS now say wait, When you go down a utility place, you go pay your bill. Them tell you say, alright, you can't owe till next week, That don't work, yes, mama. So you go and take your 5 bills and take your time go here. Me not depend where you depend. Business me a deal with, so you can't go and cool out.
Stop going, son, man. A farm you come from, you're going to make me come so far for nothing at all. Just give me something, man. Just one little bit, please. I will want this out there.
So when you ride me for free,
Me give you
who
some
will get
money
the
when you
benefit?
come back. Just take your 5 bills and give you some money when you come back.
me can't hold my searching?
Hey, boy, don't make me hold it and I'll take it,
Yeah, wait, easy. You can't hold my searching? You can't hold my searching? When you go in my searching shop, and him say, one, what him say to you? Hey, I go. No sense. So you hold it and cool out. I understand you upon your 5 bills thing and I go go like you want to feel it. Feel free. Hey, step away from the vehicle. No money, no love. As I said, broke girl broke my vibe. You know how expensive it is to keep this? Do me here and all these things? You go to gym and all these things. Take us 5 bills.
Business. I'm going to be able to have 10 grand,
10 grand? Alright, you hold your 5 bills. Come in and talk. There's something wrong with you, bro.
Hold on there. Oh, you come so quick for my 10 grand.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you come too quick for my 10 grand and I feel like I want half of my money back. That was too quick.
Let me tell you, business is business,
Me not get my money's worth.
You don't get your money's worth? Well, you have to just work with that, you know. Cause I saw your system work, you know.
First thing first, you know, I have to get back my money, you know. Cause number one, you're sitting too little. You come too quick. And you not do it right. Me not ask you just depend. You stop like you're an idiot for a long time and not get no.
Wait, what you say a while ago? Eh? You ever see one truck jump in an ocean? Eh? You ever see truck jump in an ocean? Eh? I'm gonna tell you something. Business is business, you know. If you come on the road and me I help you out, if sort you out, and me I fear go through all manner of evil, because I don't understand you think money is all? You know what I mean? You give me 10 grand, you try to give me 100 grand. Your 10 grand done, your money done. You know what I mean? You should have come.
My money done. I say you can't click you can tell me about truck and swim in the ocean. And you hood small, you hood little. You little talawa. But my something big. If I never one thing, I just tell you something bad in the night. But you see, through a 10 grand, I just make it go on, because your cock small and I walk and tell everybody. Remember me know you, you know? Me I go tell all like people.
Oh God. Thanks, your dream, your dream. What kind of life that? No, sir. Come like a murder. If I call my virgin right now, I see what kind of number that cash pass. Crosses. Yeah! Yeah! What's that? What's that? Hello?
Hey, what go on, brother? Everything good?
Brother, if I tell you what kind of dream. I say me have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, a dream. In a cash pot.
One take care. You know, bad girl in you. That's at 21 in you.
But, man prostitute. Yeah. I say me have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, a dream.
Next one come with a 10 grand. And we move with him and then afterwards, she has said, he not worth the 10 grand. And we wake up Fridays and chefs up here and say, well, must want cash pot this.
Yeah, man. Alright. Bless up. Humble rice. What if I want to real sitting?
So, man, everything you make bad eye. You could go on out, man. One little time you see him with me make me a problem. Yo, brother, walk on. Yeah, brother. Yeah, be a problem, my youth. Yeah? The woman down there be a cuss and I go on the most way. And she knows me nice with her. We just come out there so me I can take some cool piece. You want to hear she go on my youth? Eh? And that I go on? So I could have make she miss up herself, so. Eh? She mad? No, you know, brother. True, she see little mark for me there. She a go on the most. You don't know, say me a done, brother. We just ease himself sometime, when we come in, we just relax. Right. I differently do. We just see man like you, so you do on the road. Yo, you know what say, I look a thing going on, I win a piece of money, yo. And if you tell her, brother, yo, one, you look a thing, cause I really, yo. And when I'm down, you did the same, yeah. So just help yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Man, I respect you, man. Tell her. What else can you do for me? So, but differently, how I go on? As me and say, brother, we know a piece of money in a yacht. You understand? Licky cash pack, man. Wicked. We're searching for a ball. But watch, you know. Tell a story. You know, Kemar. Look at here, boy, around there, so. Man, call me, yo, and I tell me a story about James. The woman, I hold him down, all of them thing there. Yo, them boy, they are idiot, man. Yeah. Boy, girl, I hold him down. I be man right there, boy, the girl. So make him go on. And I'm tell. I follow him. Alright. So I just go to man, rakes up. I give me rakes too, you know, but I don't know what going on for him. But I rakes up the same way and I say, alright. Fool people lucky, you know. So I just buy nobody man see it out. You can have money if it's spent. Wait that. How are you out? What? Well, guess what now? Glad I catch a rake.
Just that.
I'm glad. Yeah. But watch you pray now. You know what I'm not too tired because I have some things to match up. You understand? So I just a piece of food when they come here. Yeah man. You understand? Yeah man, I make a move same way man. Because I have a little thing to deal with. I make it the food. I deal with it. See me I say? So I make it move. Alright.
Search for this idiot boy again. I can't bother anyone. I call the boy and I get him. You know, so I call dollars. Call dollars.
Brittany.
Dollars. Might have to come look for him.
Yeah? So your man then?
Could idiot boy gone about him business. Yeah, might have to come up here and come look for me.
Alright, say no more. I'm going to the store and get a boots and forward.
Alright.
Chop. Are you with fun?
Yeah man. Get it man.
I'm there, no man, you know, sir. He's a boss. I look there, I walk up and down like this. I know where they keep it. Boss. Now check it.
Keep your money.
Yeah.
Keep your money.
He was on the brand new pack, man.
Brand new pack. You never let me sit here.
Alright, say no more here.
You want? There.
Chaplada, take care of you, man.
Boy, not going good.
Nah, go on good. When they?
I know when gone.
So I have to move fast. Fast. So,
What that?
I know you call up my name in the community with Kevin. Both me and Kevin in a things.
No, sir, girl, you know, so I not do that. Why would I do that? I have enough problems up on my yard with my man. I don't have time for you to walk and talk your business. I don't do that, man.
Remember, say I alone know my business, brother. And I like to me I sit down and chat with nobody else. And that's why. I hear everybody a chat about Kevin every time I pass. So I wonder why I pray for did send out to nobody and a member or want somebody opinion.
No, sir, you know, so I not do that.
I just want to know, girl. And you know, I just like that. So anyway, I I'm not go 2 days in a place. You know. People are calling my name all about time. I love it.
How are you a plan for go?
You mean? You know, say nothing there as a girl. Me can't say yes, so. The man them up here so just corrupt and stay one way. And if you ask them something, or ask them for a favor, even for help and you're dead, brother, you don't know to youth. Them a come go on like say a front they want to be a woman eater up there, so. Can't stay yes, so, brother. But they want me mad out.
I true you know, girl, because even if me man up on me yard, he come like say if me not give him nothing, it's a problem. Every minute he just done in my skin, he want. He come like say he can't satisfy all in a night. Me I wonder if I'm motor what this a man here. Every minute he want. 5 minutes after we done, he want again. And if me not give him, a problem.
I don't know how you deal with him. I know say your man and everything, I don't tell him nothing for pray your man or nothing, you know. But I don't trust him. He come like say every woman he see want, brother. I don't know if you sit still, you know. I don't tell him nothing for go advertise and for go beat up on your man up there. But take a note of your man. Every girl him see want. And I see that about him.
Boy, that's half in business. I can't go up before you start call off me name. You're some for willing. Later, take care of yourself.
Yeah, man. And what must there again?
Yo, babes, ready again, you know. Babes. 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 How are you doing? Seriously, ready for round 2?
Again, warm to yourself. Let's just give yourself out. I want to feel your body, so I'm tired, man. I'm tired.
What do you mean say you're tired? I'm Michelin a ball, so I'm tired, you know. I'm not tired. Just babes. I could do it again, man. I don't know, man. When you good, you good, man.
No, I'm tired, man. You know, say a parent should not pay me because every minute I walk out my body. I not even have no little money.
I think so in a relationship. Everything in the house, me take care, right, you know. I don't like say, if you want clothes, me not buy. If you hear want do, me not do it. So you mean something should not give you money. So hold on, what you try to tell me, say? I buy sex from you?
I don't sell me, I sell. But then I get nothing in a life for free. Every minute you just under my skin. I can't even count how much time last night you wake me up.
Everything there, I take care of. If you want food, you get food. If you want clothes, you get clothes. If you hear want do, me do you hear. So why problem? No, there shouldn't be no issue. You know, see you kill my vibes. You kill my vibe, not to feel like I want nothing again. You know, see a woman like you with them type of behavior, but man go road. You know, forget it.
You say me and the man in our work, you now go walk. Let me speak.
Yo, what different they do? I'm brown girl, see? But the phone just nice and so. One brown girl named Kira, see? She live around here, so you know about her? Because I guess I know, based on the facts I'm hearing, you know, I think I run of that area she live in, you know what I mean? But more I know if you know about her. Yo, if you think turn up with her.
Yeah, man, down the road. She have a man still, you know. But me know how your thing come down. You know business about that. But, you know, what me want to ask you now, what make you interested in that, the freaky girl, eh? Why?
What do you mean? Freaky? Here I go on still. You see, my thing said different still, you know. Because if she want to do the thing to me, fear choice that. You know what I mean? I don't do that to her because you know my thing set already. I love it. You know what I mean? Have some fun. And if she want to have fun, we have fun with limits. But guess what? I go on. Where see her down so she live? Yo, a picture. can show you right now. See? You think a joke, I mean, when you identify and make sure say she you talk about.
And she see one man. And right down this where she live, man. And she see one this original. Right down this where she live, man. We know you get her, man. You see one, I will get her, man. The skill like that, man. So anyway, I have a run still, you know, so we link up. And remember, she freaky.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, man, me just run come in and town, come grab something fast to eat.
Oh.
A long time I see you need you good though.
Yeah, man, we good.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
You look good.
Thanks.
Hey, good.
Yeah, man, we good. You know, see, my boyfriend me wait for him gone on machine, so I just grab something to eat same time, you know?
Wow, the right thing, girl. Step up.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm big hard to buy too. Some Popeyes today, but let me tell you, sir. Might find a girl, man. In the meantime, one or two. That piece of longy man, chop on pants here. Rough. I want to be old girl that man. Yes, she see a man apple. Check her so man. Apple, yo.
Wow, in public.
Apple, what going? See if I run this, I said to myself, say if I really you, I can't believe saying you, cause yo. It's a good feeling to see you. Long time no see you still, you know what I mean? But still let me want to know say, you know, we can link up back cause yo.
Why you not changing, huh? You stay same. If you ask me how I do or nothing, you just want to link up back. Any woman get you, I'm sorry for them, you know.
Stop going someone. You're going again like when, you know, me get like a trouble, you know what I mean? Cause me always do a thing, you know. You don't know a thing, but.
So what go on? What now? What you do down here?
You me see, you know, I'm really, yo, I miss you, I not lie. You know what I mean? I go straight to it. I not go around the bush and make you feel like some more, you know, you know, Cinderella story and all these things. But you know what, right now. See me like town, yeah? You know what I'm
Madam man, listen. Right now, I have to go home to my boyfriend. And if you understand, so this is not going to work out. You still not change. You're still a drunk girl. You see?
Can't believe, hey, let me even get a number. I want a number. I can call you.
Public, later, me come go my yard, yeah.
I can't buy a machine here, because something I can't even work over there. It's alright. Rough.
People don't give up nothing in this, sir.
What a girl that looks sexy tonight. What am I doing tonight? More I can't get home me tonight.
What ya? Man, you leave me alone, my boyfriend and police.
What am I doing if I'm a police? You don't have to tell him. Me not have to know.
You don't hear me some man a police. As a matter of fact, in the town right now.
Just because you look so good, you behave so. Like how you behave. Sure you look so good and sexy and round. You behave so. And like when my man tell you say you look good. You think good still.
You still look very familiar. Look like somebody who needs to be a part of my life, you know what I mean? Wow, but tell me something. Are you from around here?
Then I owe your mouth sweet, so sir. You caught my attention still. Yes, I'm from around here.
Ah, that's so nice, you know what I mean? Because right now, I tell you, it's a blessing right now just to see you. And I really want to forget to know you the right way, you know what I mean? Because a girl looking like you, my size, you know what I mean? Like I eat some strong food, you know what I mean? Yeah, heavy. Hey, but seriously though, you strike me as my type of girl. And a girl like you, you know, I would really want it to be a part of my life. My name is Kima. What's your name, baby girl?
Yeah, nice to meet you too. My name is Ashley. And that not sound bad because I'm single already for mingle. I mean, like, I don't have nobody. That not sound bad. Can't worry. Can see where we can go.
Yeah, man, that me I talk about. It's right, that's what they say thing for you. Because you're my type of girl. And guess what? I'm single too, you know. Nothing I go on a certain level. Because I wait for you. You missing out on my thing. So guess what I go on now? My number, you have to get it. Your number, me have to get it. Because we have to do a thing. Alright?
Well, alright.
Watch ya.
You don't feel go on so.
You are going now. I don't live too far from here, so, you know what I mean? And when I really want to, you know, introduce you to my place, cause a girl like you, a queen like you, I need to, you know, come know my place, and you know all these things. You know, so I don't know if we can link up like us. And later on, and we just, you know, get certain things sorted out, you know what I mean? So tell me what you think.
You know, so I don't live too far from the place either. I live right down there, so. But you sound like a really nice guy. Like them kind of guy the way not to treat ladies bad and stuff. So like how you don't live far and me don't live far from the town. We can just go grab a drink or something because I'm not really ready.
Hey, as a matter of fact, I know a nice place, you know, I know a spot where I fit me and you know what I mean? Set them nice, like a mood, you know? Alright, and if you want to get rude, it's up to you to away.
Rude? Well, we don't know why not might turn out to be.
Let's go! We're ready? You know what I mean? Come on.
Tell her, phone a burn up. What? Every minute somebody mention me. Me see your phone, me see you go on, you kick up views.
Tagalang bad man, me not lie.
And you know if I tell you the truth. Oh, you did there. I will be there when the song build up. Fire creative, fire phone that one. Yeah. Fire said, don't open your mouth. Yeah. Don't open your mouth. For all of the fans them when they like open their mouth. And you know over there so they have the fans them where can open their mouth.
And one thing though with a girl, you're determined, you know long. You write song and sound that when I get a bus here. I rate you.
How long know me the music?
I must say a long time you know. You write song from primary.
Boomba. Some know say I'm a real Gina dog. Even me remember say so long me the music, you know. Yo, hold on. You know, somebody else might have. Yeah, cut.
I'm careful on the road. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Open your eyes.
Yeah. Same to me.
Come on. Peace out. Boy, that man have to come here every night. You can't
You
make
can't
rest.
stand the talk bullshit. I wish I did me one man to come for every night.
No one knows that she's safe still, doesn't me?
But the girl is well alright. I worry about the wrong thing.
Cause she's street smart, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I said some
So,
more.
Chaka,
I want with it.
so do not go to party tonight?
No, sir. We're staying home.
I know me wrong. I need no money.
We're broke.
Why? If you have money with that sponsor, I will have no. But no money, I know. Oh, well, you can check yourself on that picture road still, so later.
Alright, man.
You take care.
Cool.
Boy, we need to do better, you know. Everybody's on the road and we just there, so.
Not true. We must see house, Lily.
I chose school of way, man.
I don't lie. Every time soon come, man. Know yourself. Understand?
I know me feel like me I go give one professor where look me a link.
Yeah, at least you have an option. I want to sleep yet. I don't know coursework.
Look at this one here. I said come in and ask about coursework.
Coursework. Every minute I talk about man. How about man, so? So I'm to you, Kira. You not have no man. You come and talk about coursework. You not no man.
We can go and talk. My main focus right now at college. Man can stay for last one time I done college and get my Toyota RAV4 and something.
They're not perfect, you know. But you know, so we need them at times. We need a cuddling. Somebody to take we out, bring us presents and gifts and make we feel special. Oh, you talk about, girl. And when you're down and your man call and tell us something nice, you know that feel good.
And
What
if
you
I'm
talk
money.
about? Worst thing I tell us when I get some money.
She don't understand, you know. Yes,
What
man.
do you?
Send me to college. Phone, man pay. Little apartment, yeah. Man still help me pay that. When you're lonely. Why you look start out in your pleasure? What you are going to do? Talk, man, talk.
I mean, no, she don't have a tie. So tell me something. Suppose when you left school, right? And you get a degree. And you still not get a job. And you can't put out, you can't nothing for yourself. What you are going to do? You are going to need back it, you are going to need backup. And the only backup is man unless you are going to take woman. Talk to me.
Well, I see one nice cute guy from the school and he said like me. I don't know if I like him, so, but I think I'll give him a chance and see what I want.
Give him a chance.
Yeah, man, give man a chance and make him take your virginity.
Just make sure so when you start, you have your protection. Always have a condom.
You know, so sometimes I really want to know if it's true. Make sure so I don't make no mistake, you know.
We don't make no mistake. Are we have your front?
Oi! Me a come there. Yeah, David.
You know, say iPhone charger me come borrow though. Cause me wake up this morning and realize that my charger now work.
You can give one. You know what I mean? You can make sure me get it right now for you.
So my friend Ashley, she not there.
Yo, I don't even hear about the name there right now, you know. Hold on. One second.
Yo,
Give me brother, where you going?
look one thing more you do for me today. No man, I know what I send you man, I just want you to carry me. But drop me off on my wedding.
Yeah man, yeah. Drop it down, sir. No problem man, me a forward now. Yeah? Alright, cool. Here we are going. Let me go for each other fast. Look, I'm going to run on the road, yeah?
Alright.
Don't move on.
Yeah, man. Respect, yeah. Yeah, man. I wonder what they have. Let me call Ashley and find out what I'm going to call. phone battery all dead too, you know. Now it sound like your phone are on this, so. Girl! Sorry, I see the girl.
Yeah, Mom. Are you call me?
Yes. Yeah, sit down. How you feel, man?
Boy, I not even know which part to start tell her from. By the way, how you here? How you know say me and my man in a thing?
Just a come over your yard. I see them go borrow your charger, because he lend me this and I know send up him charger. Because I never see me iPhone charger. I ask him for you. You want to see the face and give me, you know, say man, they dirty dog though.
And I really him do nothing still, you know. But I want a long story. I will leave to it. Well, next time when I see him, I tell him, I just stress out.
What you say? But it sound like a big things are going on, the man. Like you hide things from me, you know, so we live.
No, man. Nothing like that. I don't hide nothing from you, girl. I just stress out. You know, one day I'm crab up.
Oh.
But I go make you know what I go on. I go down here. Yeah.
Make
you're
sure,
good
you know.
now.
Yeah, man, me good man. If I not, you know, say I always can talk to me.
You're going to know everything.
You sure say yes, sir?
Yeah, man, I write just someone, I write just some.
So, how you say I do it? Yeah, do you love yourself?
You know, say, I want my brethren link me for come video and wedding film. So, hold on. What make when me say wedding your face look so?
You remember Ashley? For me, girl? And the reason I say girl right now because I can't believe she don't do that to me. Brother, the girl, no, give me bun with one brethren who I know personally. But at the party when I see her, you know what I mean? And to me, it better somebody when tell me about it than me have to see it for myself. Don't in a man throat. You know what I mean?
But,
I
sorry,
myself,
I mean to laugh, but I don't in a throat part, can I get me? But really and truly on a serious note, me never expect that from Ashley still. But what should they know?
Show up a yard there, brother.
Where you just say?
Try with a girl.
Show up your yard. Jaja. Alright, so hold on. Me think say done left for her after she cheat. But big man thing. What you plan for? What you plan for?
My brother, for real, you know, hear what going on. Me when I think about for work it out, you know. But which part of the reach right now, brother? I can't do it because you see how I feel, how the girl make me feel seen say, you know, she do it and not tell him and tell the story about it. I feel for you, mash her down. You know what I mean? I lick down all the youth and thing. But based on what I go on, at 3 days, I get it come out of the place, you know. But it's still there yard still, but connection, I don't know. 8 years, you know. 8 years, brother. That I problem.
Alright, you are one, brother. Not do nothing too rush. Zane, just take a deep breath and just think about everything what you are going to do. Because I know say rough, you know. You see me? See now, I want with me I go do. So people still are get married. So at least there is still hope. You see me? So just do the right thing. If you have to let her go. And just no rushing or nothing. If you find a new girl, you find a new girl. But I go match up this and now and just see if you can come pick me up later though, Zin? Alright, so if anything look more there, Zin? You take out there, Zin, yeah.
Are you see there? Alright. You know, saying I make nonsense, me try to communicate with you. And the thing is, you're going like a you for vex. And me for vexing and me for feel a way about the whole situation. I make nonsense. Why this don't make nonsense?
We can't deal with it like this. You understand? Me can't talk to you in this state. You me know say me wrong. Me know say me wrong. But you're going like say you're perfect. Nobody not perfect. I don't like how you did a deal with situation in there, so that's why I come out and say me a breeze out.
Past the stage a long time, you know. Past the stage a long time. You know what I mean? Because guess I know. You see the stage over there right now is like a broken glass. Can't mend up. Can't, me personally don't have that time there. El finito, we just done. Can't work out certain way. You understand? And when you see me walk out here, so come talk to you. I talk to you because I'm if you know, say, oh, you have to just take your things and go on. You know what I mean? Because you can't work.
What you mean me have to pack up and leave? Baby, when me I go stay? Yeah, me know something wrong.
Let me tell you this. When you do what you do, you never think about where you go stay afterwards. You never think about the other thing.
I know something wrong and everything, but me not have, you have to give me some time or something.
No time no there. I be a skelly on there right now. So guess what now? You see, what me see with my eyes, seeing, I know somebody come tell me, you know. I know somebody come and miss you with my eyes. So guess what you have to do? You have to understand. Alright, here I go. Me I give you 3 days. 3 days. 3 days me I give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. And after 3 days, you better find somewhere. So today, my time now. The time start now, you know.
Baby, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days can't work. Me are there for 8 years now. Look for me when me attack me. 3 days. 3 days can't work. 3 are dead. By the way, me are there for 8 years now. And by rights, me supposed to have shares in everything.
You're lucky me I give you 3 days and now me put you out. You talk about shares. Share what? Only thing we share was a plate of food. You know what I mean? Because I guess you know, 8 years and you fit do that to me. You don't think about the flip side of the situation. You are going. Do what you want to do, you know. Because me I tell you have to go.
If I go down to the lawyer right now or anywhere, them can tell you by rights. You have to give me more time or have some sympathy. Me and you together. It's like you don't have no heart.
If you want to reach a police, make you reach a police. What you have to do, what you have to do. Enjoy your day. Do you start now?
How did this idiot waste money? Hey, you must feel like a psycho. I wrong girl this year. By the way, anything where you say, you just go on.
Father God guide me, you know. Because I guess you know, you see the girl that talk all kind of something. I don't want to do not know what I'm not supposed to do, you know. Make sure take her things out of the place.
You know say me all agree on me too. Because any other boy they dash me thing them out the door. A war, you know. Any boy dash me sit them out the door.
Welcome people, it's your girl Top Singer Kira, and I also want to get over every channel, yes, but the entire video I got it over my channel, which is Kira TV. Also the link I got it down in the description box below, so go over there, go check out the entire video, subscribe to every channel, subscribe to Kira TV for more exciting and nice short films. Bye.
Why I wonder Papa got some misery, man. Yo, Papa, forward there.
Why, man?
There, why free now? Why you come from up here some misery, man?
Why? We don't know. I'm telling you, my friend. You know, some man pissed me off, though. 3 months. No sex. Nothing. Not to look at chops. I mean, I want to go out there and cheat. That makes it worse.
Why? Why rough your fault, boy? I have to give him some Spanish fly, my boy.
You know, so come to think of it. Me need penetrate by the Spanish fly, no boy. That's a good idea. But wait, come to think of it though. Me go use it. Me not go do it in time to stop. Because you know that's something make me horny bad. So I want to do it naturally.
Boy, Papa, I'm telling you, man. You have to go back some blend up, man, and put the Spanish fly in them, man, and make him drink him, and make him in emotion, man. Because I know the thing we work, man. Because I know the woman, they want it hard, you know. That's why it makes you feel up, you know. You have to give her hard, man. You see me? You have to give her hard. You see it? You have to do the thing official, you see me?
You know, say right. Me I go home right now, go give it a try. Since I just say hard. Big up yourself. Alright. Well, roots up here now, you know. Oh, alright. See him for that. Alright.
So, Papa, how will they see a miserable? To you?
God no. I tell you the truth, Slim, I don't know where to start. Trust me. I would wish if I could help you right now. I don't know where to start.
And I'm here help. Me can't bother with the miserable vibes, man. Don't miserable yourself when you're around me. Sure. But for real, you can start from the beginning and tell me how I go on.
Tell you the truth right now, Slim. I just some pum want you know. The one of them in my yard right now. No matter how I try to touch him, my box off me and he not give me nothing right now. Blow balls me out to have you know. You man not give me nothing. Me I want to be a man.
Really?
Alright.
Really?
Oh.
That make you dare some miserable yourself? So really, what really happened up a yard with your mama? Make she not give enough.
Right now, you know, Slim. I ask you the same thing because you are a woman because every minute me want something from her, me I touch her, she a box me from her hand, we put on clothes from her, she get up. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on the next man. I don't know, or she change and turn the other way around. So it's something or something.
Yeah, that really a go on? I not get no money, you know? Or you not provide the service them properly? Because that not sound right.
Stamina is not the problem as far as I can see. But, enough of she. Me get over she the pan highway, you know. Differently, what about you? I couldn't get some.
No man, Papa. Nothing can go on here, so. You don't know so me have a man already. But for real, I wonder if something specific she want and you not give her.
I can't want me to think you are talking about mama. You can't talk about that right now in my head. I can't that. Explain yourself, please. Let me can understand. Explain what you are trying to say me now. Yeah.
That one, so man. You can't freak out through me tell you that. You know the normal things where man them do nowadays.
What you just say a while ago? Eh? What you just say? Them the thing they don't ramp with. The only thing to go on my plate of food they cook. She have to keep that to herself. If you want me to be friend, don't mention that to me, please. Don't mention it. You know that? Mr. Mutt not so strong. Don't do it again, man. Say something different.
Where you going so far? And normal something them there nowadays. And that's why your woman not sponsor you. Now you're going so far. You hear them sing song about lick lick. Normal something them there. And not if you try.
Try what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Me I come over here because you now lead me to straight. You and your lick and what you want to talk about on TV can stay one place because me now go down that road. Right.
Watch him. Go on in your yard, man. And no found out do it behind closed door and I go on like say you not do nothing. Or you probably do it too. Go on, man. Go on in your yard. Right.
Hello, subscribe. Yeah, you guys subscribe? Please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. Please. If you subscribe, you get a lot of video every day. If you not subscribe, subscribe now. leave a like, leave a share. Subscribe, tell me that you share, and I will respect you and give you a thumbs up. Subscribe, I always watch your comment. No problem. Welcome to Jamaica, where the crime rates are high. Subscribe.
And action.
Right now, Slim, your woman, and you wish that they ask me, because if every minute me I touch her, she a box off me hand. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on another woman. What the f*** me I say?
And action.
Something what? What you trying to tell me? Say something with a blow or this?
Action.
Subscribe, yeah? Comment, like, share. Tell them where you're sitting
here.
Tell them where you're sitting here.
You're going like you know, and then go over to Akeem Lawrence channel.
And them there.
Them
subscribe.
Who did they already? Go and go tell who no did they. Go and subscribe to Akeem Lawrence channel right now. Who don't know say Akeem run things. See? Bless up on yourself. Please go over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe. And Reality JA.
Right away.
Public channel.
Public with a K.
Yes.
Don't forget that.
Okay.
Candy, boy, I tell you, today was such a hard day. So I feel I drink coffee for revive myself, because, yo, too much energy use up there, but I still have my energy for you, man. Don't worry yourself. Everything go alright for later on. You know what I mean?
I saw you going, man. Always tell me about later. And you save up energy for me. Save up energy for me? Every time you tell me say I save up energy for me, by later, me lie down in the bed, not even 2 minutes, you drop asleep. I don't understand how I go on.
Babe, remember this now. We are living in the human race. So who first come, win. You understand? Yeah. Not time for half an hour, 45 minutes. That I when at 13, left that today. The young shooters out there, you know, the shotters, aka shotters, you know what I mean? A long time we do it thing, you know what I mean? Enjoy it too. And you better glad to me come quicker, some people can't come none at all. You know what I mean?
You say energy, you know? I never me. I don't say nothing about no energy. Babes, you know say a time to be step up with the family thing there.
Family thing?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my family, I don't understand what you're talking about. Explain more. I'm going to get what you say.
I want one baby now.
What you say? Baby? Yeah, I'm a rock stone.
And you are all out. Time for you give me one baby now, man. I don't understand. How I go on?
In that demo time, yeah. That's a whole long business right now, yeah? If me want pitney, would I invest so much in you? Look how much condom over top there, so. You see it? Condom and all these things, and the accoutrements and the birth controls and all these trolls and all these things. No, ma'am. No, right now. Alright, you are going. I'm not going to break your hopes, because I understand you have, you know, you have your intentions, you have your dreams. But guess what happened now? No. Give me 10 more years.
10 more years? I don't understand. How am I going to wait 10 more years? I don't even know if 10 more years from this me still can have one pitney. And what have gone with you? Something wrong with you and you won't tell me? You keep secret from me? You need to let me know. Because if something wrong with you, maybe carry on.
Yeah, something wrong with me? You can't look on me. Hey, mama, when me turn up, you know. You know what I mean? When me step in. When me spit out. You never know how I go. And me run things. You know what I mean? But guess what now? I am trying to let you understand that. I'm not ready for that right now. Because we need to fly out. We need to, you know what I mean? Instead of you try to find who we gonna left Jim Brown, or who say whatever you gonna call the baby name to or with. We can use a money that enjoy ourselves a little bit. Alright, since at 10 you have a problem with 8 more years. See? And then we can.
Alright, kid. Rain and come down. You didn't take up the clothes then?
Yeah, man. Rain and fire. Of course, we take up the clothes. The clothes them take up. You know what I mean? Alright, look on it now. If baby when they are right now, you feel so we can they are cool out and watch the rain? Eh? Just think about that. Right now, I don't tell you something no one run, you know. And nobody feel say something happen to me because everybody I work properly. You understand? So understand this, it's not just about that, it's about...
Babe, no me see why problem. You feel say if we have one child together, you're not going to explore no more. You're not going to enjoy yourself, you can't go nowhere, you can't this, you can't that. Nothing go so. Because we can enjoy ourselves watching the child grow up together. It's nice when you watch a picnic grow up, you know. You teach them right from wrong and make them know the truth from wrong things. You understand? Yeah. So I don't understand how you want just hear so.
Argument done, you know, lock off that sound that can play so. See? Because me there so now and me just want me to just enjoy the moment. And at that you bring come naga. What the fuck, you are going? Me have a cool out run so you know. So go and do your thing, yeah? Because I can't understand what I'm cool out over here saying. You want to come more here?
What you idiot? Go on out in the rain.
Alright.
When you're sick, make sure you say no come in with no flu and contaminate me because I'm doing business with you.
And that you say? You're right.
Lucky. That's why I don't forget pick me when you're not sick and then big then can help you. Know. Look on you too. Now wait for you.
So you don't know, sir. Go down this over there go buy a pound of flour in one shop. Everything raised up in it. You know, mommy?
Yeah, man. Everything raised up. Sometimes I go down there to buy me one left and come home here. You go to buy 2 items and the price where you get. Me so give up shop still, you know. You can't go in it for long. Because it's like me hungry, I throw one pad. I say, see the money you put in, you take out the back same way. You rough me, boss. So if you can't manage it,
true enough, mommy. Well, you know, say you can't give up the shop still. That's all them things they run, isn't it?
Can't give up.
Every dollar counts still, you know?
Can't give up, really. Glad me I will not support me still. Give thanks, you hear?
Well, yes, man. Sometimes you give me something to do.
I'm going to give me heart. What you say?
Yeah, man.
Thing good. Navi, service.
Yeah.
Service up round there, say, you know?
Yeah, anytime.
Oh, yeah, me. Yeah, give me one Pepsi, I say, my stomach can answer, cause...
No, so cold in what you can drink.
Yeah, man, it's good, man. Them thing we deal with. Can't deal with the icy sitting, you know.
So I go on, Jenna. Long time I don't see you in that place, you know. Where you deal with?
I'm there easy, you know, brother. Just want to take a stroll and beat a one Pepsi second my stomach, you know what I mean? Cause I'm there raised with mama a while ago. She talk about picnic them in a dinner time. You know what I mean? Cause, alright, Navi, I have Pepsi now. The Pepsi price done raised from last month.
Yeah, man. Price done raise up, man. But then she that there still, you know. But I try to support me all along, you know.
Everything done raised, brother. And then she gonna talk about picnic in a dinner days.
I understand what you're saying now. But you can't watch that, you see me? Because the youth them want to come. You see me? You get no youth yet?
No, sir, I'm not getting no youth yet. But yo, brother, I run down things. Yo, me a young brother, you know. You know what I mean? Me not run that down. That will come, man. Time did it for that. You know what I mean? Right now I just want to enjoy myself and you know what I mean? Just see what life has.
Yeah, I understand. Well, some of us say we wait upon time, you know, brother, and when the time run out now, we all stay stand and look upon some people with all them family. Feel all the way, you see me? You know, you're going to need a youth them to come take care of you. You know them ready?
Yeah, man, that's something I want, you know what I mean? That's something I can deal with things, because, yo, time now wait for no man still, you know. But at the end of the day, I still have to, I still have to deal with that. Hold on. Yeah, Richie?
Yo. Me there, man, me there. Where you there? Alright, good. Here what you do for me? Me have one line bill when I want pay. Yeah man, just pay for me. I will miss you.
Oh yeah man, I can deal with you, man. Yeah man, I can start it. Don't worry yourself. How much? Alright, me pay bill, man, don't worry. Alright, bless yourself, man. Cool. Yeah. General, you are going there now. You have to cut out, you know. See? So bless yourself. Yes, sir.
Hi.
Yo, a long time I see you. What you doing here, sir?
What you mean? Alright, up there some live. Me live up there for around 5 years now.
Yeah? Wait a sec, up the road there, so? That means you have to do some catch up, you know. But all your time stay during the day. Like, you know, you're free, you know, what time? What time you free?
You know, say though, I work from home. So during the week, I'm busy, but on the weekend I'm free. But you don't have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have a girlfriend. I don't have a girlfriend, man. So wait a sec, weekend you're free, we can link up, cause next weekend will be perfect for me.
Yeah man, I'm supposed to free next weekend, you know. Next weekend can work.
Alright, here we go. You see, next weekend, 7 p.m, Rex Cafe. Oh, that's all.
Yeah man, no problem, you know, so I look forward to it.
Alright, you see, that sounds like a date. I'm gonna just make you put your number in a this phone, yeah? You know what I mean?
Alright.
And then link up. You're not gonna start, you know yourself. Just gonna take my time. So, care? Link up, here.
Alright.
So, up road there, say that?
Yeah, up road there.
So, later, we talk, here?
Alright.
Girl, ain't gone no long. All me talk to him about is that we need a child. And he start kick up in antics and gone in his mad self about him gone a road. So, he gone, me no business with him. Make him go and he should have wait up in the rain and catch cold. Make him come back and say nothing to me. I'm lucky.
The man right for you. You know see how time hard. Where do baby in them time? Or if him no want breed you, go back one next one breed you.
You know, saying that make no sense. Sometimes we say something to some kind of people we take for a friend. I can't believe say you just said that to me. Really? Girl, so you don't want to pick me?
Of course I want pick me. But me wait until my financially stable me breed. I'm for breed now. I'm a broke. Me can't find food now.
It come like you have some problem or something, you know. You know what? I come get up and go to my yard. Sorry, me did come over there.
What one can be?
Maybe I'm man, you good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I just left me a little, you know? How you link, yeah?
How go on, babe? You know, say, Candy man just over shop. I thought about she pressure him for baby and then something.
You know what I say? I said things she over here so that then she come and talk say. Me no business with her. It look like she don't realize how things are run out time hard.
Jano Star, you know, so I'm not even feel for going to my yard tonight, yeah. Can't take the vibes down on the yard, man. Sure, that's what I'm going to say. The man trying to save you as care, yeah, alright?
Hello?
You want me to call it too fast, you know?
No, you're not coming too fast. Oh, you want to come over? Alright, you can come, man. Yeah, me there lonely too.
You feel the same way? My God, alright, here we are going. I don't know if I can pass through, because I'm up on the road, I don't really... You know, I don't know what to do, but to just come check you. That the mood I'm in right now. Come? Alright. What color house?
I want white house. Yeah, I want a grill paint white too. It's not hard to find, man, you can't find it. Alright, man, wait on you.
Alright. Now follow right now, here? Right now. Alright, babe. Cool. Yeah, come. Alright.
Come like this, a man and now come in yard. How about this, man? this man I don't want a baby now. I wonder what I could have do to change his mind. No man, it might take long to come. I go call him.
General. How go on, man? I have no condom.
No, I say I don't say none of there now, my father.
None of there?
None of there, my father.
Alright, you know what? Respect my manners. Yes, sir.
That's alright.
You know, it's a long time ago. Alright. Alright, nothing wrong if you take a one chance, you know. Long time ago.
I'm coming! Hi! You see, if you're not busy later, I'd like if you could come over again, because I have something extra special for you.
I see the paper phone, I didn't even realize I'm concerned. I said even far for me. Anyways, you think me not see the man who come out of your house this morning? Tell me what go on, because I know you not have no man. Where you get man from? Talk up.
So you watch out my business. Make you see man come over my yard. Girl, I want to look a friend for a long time. And come over there where they just busy at talk, because a long time I not see where catch up and things.
Virgin Mary had a baby boy. You think me born yesterday? I know say una there in there do things. Una did there in there do things. You think my born big like so not true?
Alright, me I go tell you what go on. You see? I'm look a friend and me did the last night and me just lonely and bored and he call me and say him a come over. Me just say, alright, come over. And he come and greet him at the door and thing. And we did there and him touch me and me get excited and me just split the pineapple and make him put the banana in there. Girl, me not tell a lie. Be nice. Girl, you know have it in a waist alone, you have it in a face too. Yes, girl, you go on.
So girl, I feel man or what? I need to know, you know. Because if I feel personal man, when I see him on the road with a girl, I have to go say something. But if I don't hear man and I see him on the road with a girl, I know say I have to squat my leg up ass and go one side. I hear man or what?
Girl, to be honest, I don't know where we stand yet because we never see each other for a long while and we just see each other. Oh, and yesterday, and we just decided to link up and thing. But me here saying I'm a girlfriend still. But me just go on and see where things go.
Alright, you can't go down anyways. I like mix up my come here because you know I ever done in here.
Alright, my girl, text me when I reach done. Okay.
Yeah. Alright, yes, my people, they are back a yard. What? Oh, we don't no clock, sorry. One thing we're gonna in the name of Jesus, please. You see this channel, me I tell you, this channel, a whole heap of content I got upon it right away. Just subscribe. Look down below. You see, if the color red not change it to grey for me, please. That's all me I beg you. Please, and share it. If you don't want to watch, just share it, subscribe and leave it. Please, but watch. Cause you're not going to miss the threesome if you don't watch. Big threesome. Yeah, hurry up, go get some now.
Now I go and clock up on. I will call the police, no worries. What go on? Can't be such an early morning war. What go on, man?
Elder, I saw two you there want to rob me, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, man, they work with also. Drugs, yo, hide that some man. Hide that, lock up, brother. Come here.
Man, run off left me, oh. Everything on run left you.
Silent. Don't say it.
Man, escape you. Bad man. You never say, the man run to Jamaica, brother. Yo, I see past me now, you're a put here, make the man run left you. Yo, drop off for me, bad man. What you want me do? Yo, me general.
I go on soldiers. Pick up myself, man.
Yeah, man.
So man, they look clean and fresh like a
yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yo, here what I go on.
Oh, this is
you see one youth pass now, aqua cola shot.
No, sir, I don't see them on the pass, your brother. You know, sir, from the day I two of you first come on this pass, that's your brother. Swear upon my life, brother. The man no pass here, unless them go into the front. Because 3 way, you know, so you must come and so.
So if you see me, that tell me.
How you mean, man? I like I sitting in the like 2 man on the floor and I'm not so clean. I must something wrong with boy doing, man. What color shirt is him now again, brother?
Aqua color, man. They color like a similar to sky blue.
Yeah. So as long as in the Negril beach, we will see him. This is Negril, nobody can hide. That one the robber now.
You know, say boy style thing though. But you know, say
what's saying again?
Aqua color shirt, man, similar to sky blue.
Oh yeah. Bring back my memory, no brother. You know, say me see a youth gone up the beach there. That man they could have reached all up on Alfred and up on the beach there, you know. Without got to wipe that because this is Negril. The man touch beach already.
Alright, you know, respect here.
Yes, brother. So your brother like come tell me, man, God, you can't live a thing, man. Any small.
Yeah, let's see me.
Yeah, man, this is small, man.
I'm going to boy today. Yo, here, hold on for this. You see, yes, anyhow, we find him.
Yeah.
We are come back on circle and get it better.
I'm right just someone, right now Negril Beach.
Come on, Jika, we not no time.
Boy, God, man. Respect, man.
You alright?
Sure, yeah.
You know somebody well wants to see you for true. Because we have a little woman who go down a gym the other day. And she had tell me, so she buy one phone for you. And she has said police come there. And you know, I question her about the phone, say a thief in phone. So I want to know you're not even one business.
Me auntie, you know my business staying straight already. You know say for a long time you're not too like me. So then we say anything. But my business them straight up front. So I don't know nothing about that.
Make sure you're not in a hit. Because Jean tell me and I feel your name call. And you know so they don't like you already. So they may hug your basket to carry water. Me talk to you all the while, you know. The last time, remember me talk to you about your partner and you waste your money? This time, make sure. I mean, I tell you
I
again.
believe them, so auntie. I not like that. Not all like that. Right now, we just need to just pray for me. Right now, I run me have to run because I have a little business to take care of.
By the way, the last time we see at church, I went there and come christen you. No make that happen. You see, this month here, we have family month. So I want you to come at church Sunday morning. Right? You come with me. And I make sure I call you and you come at church Sunday morning. Because we have a special speaker. It's a youth, young man like you coming to speak. I know you don't want to miss that. Alright?
I'm not going to promise you say I come at church this Sunday or this Monday. But I'm going to make effort to try come. A long time, you have to tell me about church for ever since. I can't remember when last I come at church.
Make sure you put out the effort to come. No joke about it. Because you see your grandmother never raised you like that. She's a good Christian lady. But ever since she died and gone, it's like you lose. And I don't know you're that little young man. You have so much more in you. And I really believe in our son. But you know you have to be careful in a time like this. So alright then, you take care and me pray for you. Alright, remember me love you.
You love it too, auntie,
Alright,
man.
take
You know me know how to survive already.
Yes, man. Alright.
Alright, later.
Yes.
Yeah, man. How to get this phone right now? And if you have no contact. See that.
How this a call me? Hello? Yeah, man, I sell an iPhone. Them.
45 grand, I know say yo mother like fi buy. You still have it?
Yes, me have more in stock, you know. The location and Negril. I hear now. If I reach a Negril and come and run about, you can't last. Just call me. And me come job. Of course me have it, man. Me have whole heap in a stock. You have the money?
Yeah, man, me have the money, man.
As long as you have the money. You sure say you have the money?
You come and ask me again if me have the money. Me have the money, father.
Location and Negril. You can't last. When you come and Negril and come and run about. When you reach night town, me will come and check you.
Alright.
Hey baby, yo, should deal with the food for me, you know. Come home.
Every day this man I dey on phone with you.
So call about.
Oh, go on.
Bad man, I'm tell you.
Oh, go on.
So your man spam phone you. I'm tell you.
Yo, bro G, may I ask some question, bro G?
How you always girl ever chat? What's the class? I know say something like this you coming in, bro.
Boy, I'm going now.
We are the pan road, you tell us if you don't come pan road.
Mommy,
you lock up the place?
You know, man, I lock up the place, man. You ever see the place and now lock it. That's why something important, man.
You see, if you have some puppy show, we are do the kerchief on your head. How much time you tell us if you stop dress up? You just have to take up people's attitude and start dress certain way.
Mommy, you don't know anything, mommy. You sound hot and you understand?
Anyway, what you want to talk to me about?
You remember you promised me something from last year for my birthday? Yeah, man, a little money, man. So, yeah, I hit me and ask if I could get it right.
So, what you want the money for the now?
Mommy, I know, I say I want a phone more and buy.
So, what your phone your auntie sent come give you the other day?
Mommy, if phone I have, mommy, you don't know, say, you know, that 100. And I like, so I'm not grateful, you know, I'm grateful to Auntie Karen, you know, but if phone, another phone there. I mean, I don't know if anything, my young boy and my hot boy. Look on the phone. You know, 100 is not even a camera. I can't take too bad picture of it and something. I don't know, say, my hot boy and
Matter of fact, take off your summer off your head. Take off your summer off your head and line up yourself good. A matter of fact, go on down. Because I don't know nowadays you pick up this hype man thing. This young boy nowadays thing wanna have pants for body, kerchief tie around head. Now you're gonna tell me say you want new hype phone. I not even know where you know what to say to you. Because right now you piss me off. We don't know how things expensive and every day you just want to get up and have this new thing, new this. And I take up this new style with these young people. Right now you're not even going good at school. Nothing not going for you. Your grades drop, everything for you drop. Because what? You want to live this life thing. It's not going to work out, you know. It's not going to work out because honestly, if you send you to school, you think it's easy. You know, easy. You see how hard me have for your work. And your father not give me nothing. Your father not give me no money. I know you're going to talk about you want a new phone. Huh? After your auntie send you a phone, you're going to talk about you want a new phone because your camera not good and this and that. It's alright, you know, my youth. It makes sense you're going down, you know. It makes sense you're going down. You hear me, I tell you? Makes sense you're going down. But you're going to talk about you want a phone. Hype phone. Because you're a young boy, you're a hype boy on the street, but you want a new phone. A matter of fact, when I see you run, so I'm going to use the bathroom and come back. Eh? You know how much you think, you know how much you want a phone? You talk about you want a new phone and you just get one phone the other day. We still send a person around, so I'm going to go state and I'm going to use the bathroom.
The phone me did have the other day. Yes, one big phone. Girl, me tell us that me go down one store go buy the phone. After me go in the store, I see the nice phone, you know, and me go book so to look boy to get the money. And me go buy the phone. Me there me had good one day. I take selfie, because you know me love take my selfie. Yeah, girl. And girl, me say me go snap, you know. Cause the day in the night I did one party and me excited, you know, girl, and ready to go to the party, you know, with the brand new phone. Yeah. When me look, no police come on me yard. Me know me heart a beat out of my chest, girl. Me don't know what police are doing me yard.
Mommy, you can't get one of them shoes, please.
No, come go on now. And no matter of fact, don't let back the yard. No left the yard for the rest of the day. And never may you have nothing. Me say no left back the yard. You hear me, I tell you?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Alright, love you.
Love you too.
He ma go make me know say a thief in phone the man sell me.
Lord Jesus Christ.
After the man collect so much money, you know, girl.
Me tell us if you buy the phone a day now.
But girl, what if I did the same thing?
You say me Dave not go on no yard. Link stunner.
Hello. Good evening. No, some know about 14 more, the iPhone 15 them. Yeah. No, no, there's still one in stock. Okay.
son, hot man. Yo, stand alive. Look like nobody in there, man. Yo! Stand up! Boy, nobody in there. Boy, hard I hear and still doing it. Kid dog have somebody in the house, man. Stand up! Yo. Oh, man, I pray, man. You see me a shout out, you hard I hearing, man.
There, man. I just have to put on some clothes to touch your road.
Go open up this now, man.
You up in, man. Just move it here.
Oh, yo, I don't even see it, you know. That no start.
I meant to know, I pray. If you have them, you want about 5. Because then I will see like an iPhone. Give me a minute, so call you. Give me about 5 minutes.
Yo, you see me call them, man. Yo, you not even know what go on. That's why me I'll come up here say no. Yo, fly get up and come in now.
See all the youth, I want general, you know. Forward, man, get up, man.
Yeah, how you say? I walk. I wear man set all the padlock. Yeah, me tell you what go on. You not go believe.
I never have some $1,000 in my box. Don't send me buy nothing. No. I could never Anthony go in my money a while ago. I could never Anthony go in my money a while ago. No, you wait until me go down me and him deal with. Seriously? Me want pity tea from me?
Boy, so I did, man. Like a day I go up on a quick move, man.
Yeah, man.
Boy, me there, me I say, oh, me have to check a car. Boy, me get to a deal, it too sweet for they even tell me, you see me?
What kind of deal? Like car deal or what?
Boy, you don't say I want a phone deal, cousin.
No, that ain't bad Samsung there.
No, man, an iPhone, man. I don't say iPhone or anything now, man.
You don't even know what go on.
Yeah,
Yo,
tell me, man.
me see me call them, you know.
Yeah, general, man. That's how you go on.
Yo, here what go on. Here what go on. You know, so last night, me on hands. I want to spray and brain. I say, show out in here, so I look so, brother. Some kid I want to play so, I stay so. I stay so now, you see me? I say, yo, how are you up to? When I look, I see man show out. 2 cases of red stripe, I see the man comes up. Why them want to spot me? I say, I did say, do you? I not see nothing, I feel like off all the phone. That's why I see you call me first time, I feel like off all the phone. I look, I see man, 2 Heineken, 2 red stripe, Dragon light beer. So I say, where am I get them there? I look, I run the man running at some people place, brother. Watch your man come so. I make around 10 trip. 2 in my hand, them, you know. Say, alright, go on, watch him, because I know say after I make call him trip there. Him can't move like that. Look, me see him cut. Go over there, brother. I'm come so. I pay empty buckle, man.
So the man was selling buckle them, boy.
I don't film them.
Film them now?
I film them now.
So yo, different from the story there. But you tell them say I get it from there. Like, me call it for you now.
I hear you now. I just show a little thing that go on, you know. But me want make it reach an idea, yeah. Because right now, me have an iPhone. I want to go sell.
Yeah, bro, what kind of iPhone?
Yeah, man, iPhone 14, man. Good deal, you know. You know how much me I get it for? 45,000, you know.
15, max or regular 15?
Irregular 15, man.
45,000. That's like a some backdoor thing, yo.
But boy, me can't make this a deal too sweet. This a deal sweeter than Nestle.
You have to be careful now, man, because you know that's how they chop for my sister on Instagram. You know what I'm doing?
Instagram, me I sell the iPhone 14. 14 Pro, yeah, brother.
Bro, if you top there and sit there, bro, General Star. So when I start from pencil and sharp, not to phone.
They talk to me.
They chat the phone still.
You say like I chop.
Yeah, I trust that now. So I wait when I deal with it on Instagram or...
Look on this no man, see thing no. See a legit thing.
Boy, look too good to be true. Well, not because you see that means say real no. Man, a man can't just put up a phone and say rain. I see some man never sell one car. Axio for 750 and you know say Axio them I go for like 1.3. You go to that Republic the same way, is it?
Okay, they're good, but that the phone they look on you and say Chris.
Yeah, but a man can just put up a phone and say, alright, wait.
But may I tell you, you're a smart boy in the street, no boy can't do anything.
You think then still, can I work out for you if I get you on a digit, is it?
Yo, you come through for you today, you know.
Yeah, man, I believe you,
As we chop the piece of food, then I come call in.
Alright, sir.
I know, say, I'm not too far from where me I do piece of business, you know. Yeah, man.
When you say all the business, you know, man.
You come through, man. You come through.
Cool life, man. Believe no, man. No, no go so, man. No go so, man. Me love
Brother,
you,
man. Brother.
They say old man crutch.
Brother.
Alright,
what you know? Since morning, my big woman look about caramel porridge to me. With bombard, Excelsior crackers on the side. Alright, now I bet my mama just come off her phone. And what you know? I tell me I'm going to deal with some bombard, steam fish run down for me, brother. I'm telling my youth.
I know if I'm up there, though.
Probably up there sleeping, even come out of bed yet.
Me I tell you that right now, like me have to go get one of the old one.
No, dog, I know way you much, I know probably like young one them, but I know every big woman stay same, you know.
Like what you say, I'm forward, you know, cousin. You can't bother, you know, I have to go shoot grass, because I can't make that the deal they go left me, isn't it?
For real. That's a good idea. For real, really just careful and make sure I phone where you see them as you know, old phone or phone where battery not good or you know them way there.
Oh yeah, I talk to man, I don't know, so you street smart and something, man. Anyways,
yeah, man,
but you keep shut, is it?
Let's go.
Yeah, man. Get the phone, you know. I know say them a young girl nowadays. Nah, buy you nothing. Nowadays, my big woman buy more bombard. Order it from for bombard. Amazon, ship come to Jamaica, yeah. England, me I tell you about, brother. Me not talk about no knocks or no knockoff business. You see me?
See, pray, man.
Yeah, man. You have to get yourself a big woman to take care of me. No young girl not take care of you so bad, man.
You know, say true, dog. Because enough of them young girls can cook and even grow on the stove with my father. God no. So sometimes I see all the big woman them. Yeah, dog, that's my right thing for true, my friend.
Which number this? You know the number, yeah? Hello? How this? Oh, that sound like a such man. Such man. Yep.
Fear boy, man. You know me
Yo. You know, see me up on the ends door. Where you up on? Alright, do it down. Me there on my ground and waiting up, bro. Alright, my general.
$45,000, you know.
45,000. I have to be careful now, man, because I saw them chat my sister on Instagram nowadays.
Eh? Oh, yeah, I see.
Yeah, man.
Go on.
You know, say me and the man go on a piece of work and we say we want 2 phones. You see me? And you know, say, boom, the phone there really. You see me? There, yeah, man, and we get them. That man, they have them. I know what man go do.
Where you going?
Go give woman the phone, my friend. And before, and I make money. You see me?
Foolishness that's
but man, right now, I'm going to lift up.
He never dismayed, so I can't say
right
nothing.
Right now, I'm going to lift up, my friend, because I believe him. You see me?
Yeah.
Believe in my father.
You're right, man. I go just one office split and just one wait for the G till he reach. Isn't it? That's the right.
You know for me style.
Alright, me there, man.
Alright.
Me there, man.
Alright.
Yeah, yeah. G.
Reach. I mean, man, I wonder see how we are do so long round this up.
I know say I run I back me there do.
It's straight in our business. I not even want to itch. Here what I go on now. I say I come call link you. I have a nigga me say, tell him say up on Instagram. So don't sell him one iPhone 14 Pro. You don't know a place, you would have money on him. You see me? So right now I hit one take off him. So here I know. You're going to town. I want if you go in the town as the man up on the ground. You don't know a place you can easily spot him out. A simple thing that you don't supposed to take him more than 5 minutes. You take off the food off of him. You give a piece of food out there. I know what your things set, you see me? But you know say you have a youth.
Boy, so sweet, you know, my boy. But watch out now. I really don't want to go fast crime on that time, them, so I go down in the town. I go there in the town, if you say so. Give me a link.
That's no problem. As you link me, I give you a link. You see a word, you know.
I'm general.
Later on, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, General. I wish part you there.
Place one against one ATM, you see me?
45,000, you know. 45,000. I have to be careful now, man, because I saw them chat my sister on Instagram now.
Me no want black shot, you see me? Yeah, easy to spot out, man. Me no want black shot. Oh, you're not reaching that on it.
Alright, here now. Give me 5 minutes. Soon come.
5 minutes. Alright, that maybe now wait for the phone, so yeah. Make sure you have your phone, you know, man. Alright, there we are that more here. Alright. Alright, so now say a word then. Alright, cool. Alright, what?
Come on, don't move, man. Come on, Bulby, man. Answer your phone, man.
Yeah, just give me a minute. Yeah, the general called me, the social them. Yo, my G. I'm born. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, step on the corner. I'm going to roll out now.
In the ATM, now I'm black shot. That's how you feel there, you know?
Yeah, man.
I'm soon forward.
Yeah.
Yes, my general. I say black shirt in here now.
You retarded. Oh. Man, black shirt, man. Yeah. Man, black shirt in the ATM.
black shirt at 8 a.m. I don't see nobody in a black shirt. Talk about this Geneva. I don't know what, I don't to understand what's going on, you know. I don't even want to pick up your phone, you know. What's going on? Yo, my G. You tell me someone out there in a black shirt. Not in a black shirt. You to your D short. You D short him back after you short me. Yeah, you out here man, I don't know black shirt me see you know. No brother. Yo style much I style you know. What you think what you do? Yes sir. Link him. Yo dog I move off you know you. Yes sir what you do? Me a forward. Go on, G. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know, say, the boy run off, though. Come like a bolt, brother, to Bombay, man. Fast, see? Even though we're dog ton. How are you there? Yo, come give me a link now. Yeah, look for you, boy, man. Because I like you, boy, have money to, you know, but, you know, me general, because I don't run, so. Man, I run your frig. Alright. I still go on patrol till I forward, you know, because we have to book him today, you know. We have to find him, you know. I want the money right now, my daughter down there hungry, you know. Oh.
Good evening, man.
Good evening.
I wish part here, so which part am I there? Because I don't know a place, you know, I'm new here.
Okay, you're in the grill. You're in the cross market in the grill.
Alright, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, you make it thing obvious, make your man.
Are
you sure see over here, so you come? Are you the happy over here, so your man come, bro? I can't stretching done so fast. I'm not so when him done the stretch. I'm not so fast. I'm happy over here, and come.
Brother, the same thing you tell me did what you know, brother. Yeah, brother. So what you doing, like how you do know a place and see which part we can go to get it clear right now.
Alright, here I don't hear you go on. You go so, and you go so. Because we want a piece of food there, and I tell you we want.
You need to get there right now.
Why the man war? I want to go on to clock up part. I will call the police, no worry. I want to go on. Can't be say such an early morning war. I want to go on, man.
Elder, I saw you two youth there want to rob me, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, man, they work with us. Drugs, yo, hide your son, man. Hide me, lock up, brother. Come here.
Tell me, say, man, a chops, man, brother. Where you it? Man, you don't know, man, run off left me, yo. So make him run off, yo.
No, silent. Don't say it.
Make man escape you. Bad man, you never say, you man run to Jamaica, brother. Yo, I see pass me now, you put here, make him man run off, yo. Yo, drop off for me, bad man, you want me do? Yo, me general.
I go on soldiers. Pick up myself, man.
Yeah, man.
So, man, they look clean and fresh like a
Yeah,
man.
man. Yeah, man. Yo, here what go on,
Oh, this is
you see one youth pass now, aqua shot.
No, sir, I don't see them on the pass, your brother. You know, sir, from the day I two are you first come on this pass, that's a brother. Swear from my life, brother. No man no pass here, unless them gone to the front. Because 3 way, you know, so you must come also.
So if you see me, that tell way.
How you mean, man? I like I sitting in the like 2 man and look for and I'm not so clean. I must something wrong, boy, doing, man. What color shirt is him now again, brother?
Aqua color, man. They call it like a similar to sky blue.
Yeah. So as long as in the Negril beach, we will see him. This is Negril, nobody can hide. That one the robber now.
You know, say boy style thing though.
Yeah.
But you know, say
what's saying again?
Aqua color shirt, man, similar to sky
blue.
blue.
Oh yeah. Bring back my memory, no brother. You know, say me see a youth gone up the beach there. That man they could have reached all up Alfred and up on the beach there, you know. Without call two white girl, because this is Negril. The man touch the beach here, really.
Alright, here now, respect here.
Yes, brother. So your brother like come tell me, man, God, you can't live a thing, man. Any small.
Yeah, let's see me.
Yeah, man, leave a small, man.
We're full of boy today. Yo, here, hold on for this. You see, yes, anyhow, we find him.
Yeah.
We are come back on circle and give us it better.
You right just someone right on the Negril beach.
Come on, Jika, we not no time.
Man, there's so much fun, so I can't get comfortable. I'll check my phone case.
Yo, Parry. Yo, come on, brother, they ain't gone now. Yeah, man, you know some canny boys, they man take off a thing off of them. So, brother, it's like when we can't, look at you, look at you.
Man, I see you.
I respect, man, respect. Yo, go some MC card.
So, I can't get taxi.
What do you mean, man? You can't get a taxi right now at all.
Alright, bless him.
Man, that's here, long life.
Dream. Man. Oh, Jesus. What a dream.
Yes, you're rude. I'm not wearing no. Get in that color. Mommy!
Oi, sorry I know my name so far. What me I know?
Me don't ask you if you have going night town.
Yeah, me I go down in night town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me I go down there walk my way one.
Not true, me do you want you buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
I the money I save up from school.
So what on there? So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure you plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of a place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right?
Because me not understand, you just interested to find out if me are left the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm going to come back off the road and you know something. And I'm going to come see nobody in my yard and you know something. I'm tired to talk to you.
I'm not going nowhere. I just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss. So.
If you like, give me something to talk about and cuss every day about. Mona just a cuss, I get up a cuss like my mad, so.
But mommy, me simply ask you something I come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free to talk, you hear? That me I tell you.
Me simply ask you if you go somewhere, come want you buy something for me. I come go. So, I'm going to tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. You can't come. Alright? Love you too.
Odien! Odien! Oh, you're there!
Chanel!
Yeah?
Come here then. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to cut the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. Because if you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in today, you hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight, town again? Where do you say you want?
I never want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go and soon come. I have to take out something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? Happy every day there go?
Yeah, man, I don't have them here and go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how you live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? You especially, I just like you because I hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Yeah, man. She come like a sister to me. Red Channel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell her if you take out the chicken. Remember, if you take out the chicken and take out the clothes off her line. Here. Alright, I'm going to be able to save till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures, I mean, show me what I'm comfortable, and I'm about the foolishness, you know. If people they just go in the bathroom and take some pictures, I want some sexy picture right now.
Chanel! Who that? How are you?
I just see your mother up the road.
She said she go in her town, sir. I'm supposed to go in her town, you know. I never know say you stop by.
So like you have plans, so like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes of my file. So where you go?
Girl, I tell you say that told me I go deal with something. And by the way, which plans you have talk about? Everybody just watch myself. And me alone can't go do nothing.
Excuse me, I don't have food now, so we can't eat.
Long time I don't see you too.
Marga, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good one.
Long time I don't see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much clothes you have found there.
You have to go wait little because my friend there, I never know if she should stop by. But I'm not that fat still. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see one can't see it for me.
Friend, I stop by. I never know if she should stop by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop asleep, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! Chanel! Chanel!
Shall I call you?
Chanel!
Yeah!
Chanel!
Yeah! We are coming so for somebody there?
But take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. I should have allowed the lawyer. You can't get to me and help them. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. You come and guani.
I know you are come talk about. You see because sun and sun hot and talk about rain and go fall.
But they're nice, man.
Me have more around there, so look at juice here.
Thanks. I'm not hungry, but the patty tastes extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around it.
So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it.
Sun draws me up and little clothes and I have to pick up and want to sleep.
Did I use the sun not hot?
And to the time they look overcast. I want to sleep.
Babe, I'm out of the front. You have to hurry up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she doesn't see me at the house. So hurry up. Dirty boy, she want to go with. Mwana, bola bola no. Mwana, fama that even move it. Me see her with the dirty boy again. I hope I use condom. How we are talking about, Abby? After me not go do nothing, I don't get that town me go. You hear me a warn ya? The man they can't give nothing. Remember say you're underage and a big old man that. Girl, remember me a warn ya and a workless man that. Him workless. Me come go in here because you can't go and chat and believe what you want to believe. Because me I tell you some girl and I told me not go do nothing. She's not there here. Look, if you go to another mother. Because she done broke up in blouse and skirt. I'm going to help her because she's not here. I take me for idiot. You come here and call me, you know so she's not there. How for this? I must see the boy that was up at the gate last night. I must them drop it out there. No, you know. No, if you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think say I like me, like it when me I tell her this, but me I tell her for your own good. She say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this. But watch ya, give me something man. You're gonna have for me and for your money by it. Just me a real job.
Wait,
money to fix up my TV. Even I don't want to get my 30,000 to fix up my TV, but I want it back, you know. Guess that TV around there, so I'm my little fun and enjoyment. Now, to hear me, I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. When you could have worked, but I long enough come and apart. I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here, boy, you know. Because you look a pitney. I know say he's very prime. Come, hey, I don't know, you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really I fight? Because I can't fool she's not war over and mash up on my TV. What really I fight over? You talk to me.
You want me to tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened? It's no matter you want to talk about this. You don't hurt me right now, you know. I'm going to lay down.
Somebody what really go on. You plan to tell me what really happened?
When you know what going on, yeah? Sometimes I'll edge you.
Alright, I just saw the ticket go. Fly high, fly low, mark it down 10 in here. When I figure find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must fool she's not war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I fool she's not war over. I mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know, man? Fly higher, fly low, not forget about that.
Hello? Sorry for the fight. You really can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're friends from a long time. Understand that, girl. Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, the power always think, man. Not have to whisper. Yeah, and out there can come. Alright. Alright. No, I know. No, someone wanted. How are that now? I'm pregnant. Yeah, breed? Yeah. After the same dirty boy me that one about? Yes, him same one. I tell about him, you know? I tell about him. So your mother know about this? My mother can know about him. Remember say me young. My mother can't know about this. So what you plan for do? Keep it or dash it away? Me I keep it. I don't have no money for dash away pitney, so you feel like you're ready for one pitney? I'm not ready for nothing because right now I'm now work. And if my mother find out about the situation, you know what I'm doing. The best advice I can give after dash it right now. I don't have no money, you give me some money? I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do. Because I say my mother can't know about this. But now work, plus, girl, my mother can't. So what you going to do? You don't know the man and police can lock you up or lock him up because you're underage. Right now, I don't know what to do. I know I did that one about the boy. I tell you.
babes, wagwan. But then, you don't miss me. Yeah, I miss you too. Hey, you don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop thinking about you. Yeah. You don't know, man. You know, say me now a little spot though, I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know say my TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, see, I plan to travel. Yes, I mean, we can't wait for you to come. But you want to be able to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain amount. Because you don't know, say, my time at the month, you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey, 120,000 pity not even know this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How are you little girl, man? I don't tell her to the yard.
Madame, hello? May I come from mother, yeah? Remember if I talk to her about the situation, if I not on, she plan to put you out, you can come stay with me.
How are you today? You know you're not me a call you, I'm not trying to say this left yard. Eh? Much time tell her left yard. Anyway, my friend there with me, they go down our street and I collect little food for me.
Should I know this, sir?
I want you to link her because I have a piece of money more she go collect for me, you see?
Alright. Hello? How are that, you know? Alright. Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you, you know. Nothing, no. So I wait to pump on phone and I as me I come. How? I'm gonna text up on phone. Well, as a matter of fact, give me the phone and let me see night. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone, pull the phone.
See, the money that do nothing.
You need to do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out what you're up to, you know, I must find out here. You say any day, name day, I find out say a man you have little girl. Let me tell you this. You might go straight to prison, that me I tell you. Hey, me even talk. You say if you ever breed na this girl, me tell you something, your grandpeople, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. I got a tongue go sell bag juice, because you're not staying here with it. And that me I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for doing that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think say me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. I say the day and day I find out say a man I have in this year. Right through the door you go. How are you? Come in out there, son, man. Now go right back and run her back. Throw her back there, be something. Now call her come back here.
I smell. Hello? So me I call you from the other day, I nah get you. From me I have sex, me I call you nah answer you for me nah get you. I want me. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? So that something me a do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So how you love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what interest on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something I check on the phone. Something I check, I don't mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the saw wait for you all long. So here what? See paper here, the information. We're going to call it the something. 160,000. Not a dollar less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me? I tell you, go on and come back.
So girl, I said nothing to your mother yet about it. Girl, not me if tell her say me a breed. My mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother. But girl, I can't keep this for long. I can't keep that secret here for long. I say your belly I go show you know. Mother don't say girl, come here, come my mother to ear. You stand there. You look at me. Anyway, take it, I'll go find it. But anyways, I was telling my mother, do you want to go now? I mean, I'm going to have to change my dress. I'm going to change back this and my dress. Girls, I mean, nobody said I go breed. They done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, what are they? Good? Ah, cool.
Yeah. Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. Cause when I tell them the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then there? Tell her if you dash your boy and the boy not call you from your breed. Girl, if me have the money for dash it away, I dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused. Well, like a money is the problem, but yeah, I have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you have no more penny for the rest of your life, so here, I'm not here. Just come to me. Alright girl, come and show me. Girl, I feel like something for taking my money to deal with something.
Deal with what? The pregnancy for that show the belly. Girl, I'm mad. Mama say me I collect money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out. But just that ask. Anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. Cause I just ask me that ask. But girl, you know you could have never ask that. Anyways, that is a stupid question.
I'm not gonna do this anymore.
Dean! Yo, Dean!
Yo!
Huh? Sure.
Dada. John.
Yo, today you tell me, my youth. No bother with that, No bother with that, Today you tell me,
Dada. Yo, John, brother. I feel like a grown thing now, brother, isn't it? But yeah, we're gonna look emergency roll up, isn't it? And right now on the live cash coming on fund. You see what I say? But yeah, what go on? I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me? Because my girl for the youth something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? But up until that happen, I tell you honestly, I have no money for me, Dada.
Brother, I every day story this, I today I want the money, I today, Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I not get my money still. Yeah, my youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide say yo you can pay back by X time. And all now. Brother, me I warn you. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, if I go on so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you say my girl I forward in today, you see me, with some funds, you see me? Just a little bit more time me ask for, you see me? I don't know if I go on so dog, I meet the whole neighbor with more me business dog. Watch nothing man, I sort out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time you a friend me.
Yeah, I hear you know. But I just how you deal with things, you know, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, you know. You say you know I'm loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you deal with this thing, you would have to reach us. Brother, you're a big man, you know. I can't believe you do me this. Me you apart from school days. Me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say, oh man, I come at X time. So, I'm going to see you deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me a word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as the last. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming.
I know say I'm a busy man still now. You see me? I know say if nothing probably you have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, no bullshit dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me have a thing prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get a thing sort out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? I'm going to the right, so I'm not going to
that's all I remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, you know, just know it go. Here we go on. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when we come back, I don't want no talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man, see, just give me an hour or two, brother. Just give me an hour or two, brother. We start out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me even spit a gun, it never reach in a 15 minutes, dad. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. You say it, you know. I'm going to give you time. Because look like you dig your own grave. Know yourself. 2 hour time.
I did this, you know. But, yeah. Yeah, B. Hey, boy, some food in the shop. You know some more? Yeah, B. You think you can give me one link in idea? Yeah, man, give me a link in idea, man. Isn't it? I want to chat to you about something. See if I can reach my foot. Yeah, man. Alright then. I don't know what you mean. Well, since I say never come when time the mango did in, you see me I say? Just 1 and 2 left now still, but now 2 in the can get still now ready to move. You know?
Come in like mommy, you know. It's a story the mango them say when man got done out. I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man. But no, don't worry yourself, man. Everything will go alright, man.
You know, we have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. You don't even know me. I have a situation and I have a surgery for the
Where's this? Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
For what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Come on, talk to me, man. It sounds like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, same thing happened to me, man. Same thing.
Is you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
Never sleepless night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Yo, sis. What go on? Where are you doing? No, some man just run for you. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, no. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, I don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach you, man. Yeah, I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, you see me? Yeah, man, no watch that. Everything is good. Alright. No watch that. Alright.
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, how are you? Good? How are you, sis? Everything good with you? You girl there. Tell me about that.
I remember to pay your mother the money. Yeah, now go down and change and come.
Yo, I know how this still know, but I tell you what I'm going. I know if you have to collect in some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this, man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work how me tell you what to work. Now here I got, I know if I get in some money, you know. So here I go do. I go want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, I'm serious them way the man you got dead.
Alright. Now go get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound, yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that man? Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
Baby, come as fast as I could want.
You know, say, that piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of like a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over iPhone. Yeah? How much money you want, so?
You know, say, yo, the 50 grand, I look for borrow.
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what me I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want to borrow, B. I'm going to tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it, man. Me find out everything good.
Me will try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, so?
No, so that's not about never.
You try.
You don't make me know, so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is me and then I move a type of way, you see me?
But differently no be, you know, so I think of some sort out you want, you call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, if you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still no. Yeah, I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try that.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What the fuck coming?
You're dead! You're dead!
Yo! Yo, that's man, come across me. No. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, so I left the money up at Column in the creases. Here we go on, man. No, don't think say I fool me a fool around this time around, you see me? I don't fool me a fool you. Me just run come did something, so I just stash it off, you see me? So here we go on, just go up at the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you see a thing, brother.
Brother, it sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are deal with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all the nests you know. Yo, which column you talk about?
You know there's enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which column I only column me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going so daddy. I mean I tell you, I not seen upon a while go chase
you put mad.
I tell you say the end of the column. You see me? We just have something to deal with and we couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? I can't explain what something will reach me now, brother. You see me? A whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? I'm gonna make sure so I sort out. I sort out your thing because I'm at one stress moment off my brain. So I have to just go easy, man. You see me? You know, if you bother with the one bag of loud noise, brother, and something, brother, you see me? Here we go. Hey, see there? I two phone them. I'm a car key. Two phone them car key. Hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you don't see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing, them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I swear say put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But you know to my head go sometime let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if I put it in this card. No sir. The money.
You sound like it. You sound like it. Cause here now, mark my words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you not there. I'll sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo, I'll link you back in a few.
Say, put the money under the mattress. What nobody not come about me and Chanel there? After Chanel give me money, I put it on them. I say, I'm going to ask Chanel. I say, I'm going to ask Chanel. I'm going to say,
like I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel come for another little corner just for me the money on that mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl that take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and her blouse and skirt and all. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look, girl, my money there. You don't know for my money. Where you say you don't do it? I better say I'm murder you know this. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my girl say my money there? You don't know for my money there. Hey, you don't know about my money there. Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there?
No, you need the car. She's pregnant.
Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what she say you do? What me I saw? Breathe out, why you have to breathe? Wait, backward.
Morning people, hope you like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post notification.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look in the camera. Look, you can put on me, but nobody knows.
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. Want to big up AV and want to know if you like, subscribe and share.
How you mean? How you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they don't know.
You see, it's straight to this. I don't know a thing, isn't it? Jamaica, big up yourself, you don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. Isn't it? Big up my mother, big up my father, isn't it? Big up the whole Atkins of family. You don't know Mumpella the place, isn't it? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. Isn't it? Ease yourself, no man. Big up AV, big up Akeem, big up Akeem, you have to big up yourself, you know what I say? I don't know. So big up my brother and sister, them same way. Mika, Richie. You know the thing, guys, me?
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together. When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the one Savior and 1G. For Instagram, I go send out my sneakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, they wanna look
alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the stuff, you know about that.
And action. And action.
Well, I'll pause it record. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone. Pull the phone.
See, the money that do nothing.
You need to do nothing now? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to. You know, I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
Action.
Stop that shit.
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me? Remember tell yourself she'll go on the veranda with me? Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her. No, me can't say me don't see it.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother. Yo, go on, no? You know, say, I have to run.
When I want.
It's like that.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time and check.
Don't say she asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. Action.
I know say a long time I not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So I would want that.
Yes, people, board grand once more. I'll tell you if you check into AVTV, you don't know over here so there. Yeah, man, in the east. Yeah, more you see what I go on because I'm put in the work and I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, I don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pound. You don't know your boy, Board Grant. Stay tuned. Up.
Action. No, don't the same.
Don't sir?
Again. And action. Action.
The spit?
Mm-hmm.
But then I'm more.
Yes, hopefully you can make it this far in the video but can talk to you. So yes people, hope you enjoy the little movie there. And if you don't make it this far and you subscribe it, come on, it don't make sense to you subscribe. Me keep you here this long, eh? Well, all of we keep you here this long. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it with somebody else, make them get some entertainment. You see me? So, yep. And if you tell no one you can look forward to, well, you don't know this channel, you get the whole works. Short films, a vlog, everything, you see me? But for the people who just strictly want to see movie anytime them get a post notification, check the pinned comments, or the first comment you will see. Will lead you to a channel that I'll only upload movies over there. So definitely go and subscribe to that channel. Over here, short films, vlog, the whole works because I don't know, me is a camera lover. Now I left my camera, we're married till death do us part, you see me? So, yeah, music videos, weddings, short films, movies, the whole works. As long as it's video, I'm in. So, thank you as always for the support. Thank you for follow me so long. Blur it not from police days. Big up on yourself, manners and respect. And Laro shall see you very, very soon. Oh, Jano. One day, I feel big up nobody when I not big up. Yo, big up everybody. Little more. Big up on yourself.